Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I'm going to show you how to add users on a multifunction printer admin panel. I am using a Canon branded printer whose model number is IR-ADV 4525. By this process, you can add users and manage from any type of multifunction printer. To make the configuration you have to know the IP address of the printer. So, I open a browser and enter the IP address. The system will ask about the username and password of the panel. I entered that information and clicked Login. This is the management panel of the printer. You can see the printer model number, name, product ID, etc. On the right side, click on Settings or Registration. Now go to User Management and click Authentication Management. You can see that all of the users of the organization who are use this printer. Now I will add a user to this panel and we will facilitate him or her to access the printer. To do this I have to create a department ID. This ID is unique. So, I have to check first any available department ID. Now I click Check Unregistered Department ID. Here I found that there is no available department ID. Now I am checking the registered department ID limit. I checked and found that 1013 is the highest number of the ID. So, I am going to create a department ID by 1015. Now go back and click Department ID Management. Click on Registered New Department. I added Department ID 1015 and gave a 4-digit PIN. After complete, I clicked OK. Now you can see that 1015 Department ID has been created and that is empty. I am going to add a user to this ID. To do this, now click Add User. I gave a username Taylor. Later I assigned the department ID that I created before. Click Add to continue. Here you can see that the Taylor has been created within the department ID 1015. My admin panel configuration has been finished. Now I have to restart the printer. To do this go to Settings or Registration. Click on Apply Settings Changes. Now click on Restart Device. Later click Perform Restart. Hello. I am in front of my printer display panel. Here you can see that the printer is restarting. After restarting the user panel is showing and you can see that user Taylor has been added to the panel. After pressing the name Taylor, the panel asks me to set a PIN. Now I am going to set the PIN for user Taylor. Click Yes to continue. Now I am going to add PIN 1234. Later confirm by the same PIN. Click OK to continue. Here you can see that the printer panel has been opened for the user Taylor. Now I have to make connectivity with a computer for the user Taylor to give printing commands from the computer. In the next video, I will show how to make this connectivity. If you like the video please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.